This is our project that we're going to make today, making a bird with a letter B. Here are our materials. We're also going to use a paintbrush and some water. That is optional. You can just use markers or crayons or whatever you'd like. I'm going to draw a capital B. Go a little bit farther right here. I'm going to use that for the tail. And then I'm going to connect those curves right there and draw a triangle shape for the beak and a dot for the eye. And draw some feet. I am going to use blue to color my bird. You may color yours with any color you like. You can look at pictures and make it realistic, or you can use your imagination.